don't have it with me, tell Java. Do you think I had a choice? Over my dead body.
Yes,
I bet you have.
First introduced to us in 1977, the DL-44 blaster is arguably one of the most iconic weapons in science fiction. Today I will showcase how I recreated this iconic weapon using 3D printed methods. I put a lot of hours into this project, and I would say by far most of those went into sanding and trying to finish the surface of the blaster. After I have everything cleaned up and sanded, I hit the whole project with a nice even coat of gloss black Rust-Oleum paint. After the primers dry, I start with brown acrylics for the handle, trying to create a wood grain effect, and silver rub and buff for the silver parts. To give the whole blaster a gunmetal look, I coated it in graphite powder. It's quite crazy how far this effect goes to making the blaster actually look real. I give the whole blaster a black wash of black and brown acrylics to give it a grungy, dirty look. And then I use toothpicks and silver paint to add scratches to the gun for more character. When I started this project, I was relatively inexperienced and wasn't quite happy with the final product. So I decided to return back to the project when I made this video and fix the scope. Here's the final product. Enjoy! I hope you learned a bit from this video and got to see some insight into the process of 3D printing. I want to thank you for watching. I enjoyed the process of building this, and I hope you enjoyed watching me undergo that process. So if you could consider leaving a like rating on the video or even subscribing. I have many more projects I'm looking into and many more projects that are going to be on the way. Thank you.